Saris Freedom Super Clamp 2 bike, super light, super secure. Steel frame is strong enough to earn our lifetime warranty, yet lightweight for easy install and removal. Universal hitch, easily move between vehicles with different hitch sizes with included adapter. Square steel frame is strong and durable for peace of mind and lifetime warranty. Universal adjustability. Almost any bike, regardless of frame size or style, is easy to fit and securely transport. No frame contact is the most secure and protective way to transport your bike. Dual folding wheel hooks. Easily adjustable front and rear wheel hooks for easy loading and unloading and most secure hold on bikes. Locking cables give you peace of mind that your bikes are securely locked to your rack. Locking hitch tight gives you peace of mind that your rack is securely locked to your vehicle. Made in Madison, Wisconsin, and comes with a lifetime warranty. This video is not meant to replace the owner's manual.